we have individuals who are religious fundamentalists, religious fanatics, and this is the expression, RT-PCR, real-time PCR expression of the BMAT2 gene.
אגב,
Over here, we have
זה Department of Defense, אתם רואים כאן DOD-ID? Department of Defense ID של הסרטון הזה.
individuals. So let me complete. So over here, we have individuals who are not particularly fundamentalist, not particularly religious, and you can see there's a much reduced expression of this particular gene, the BMAT2 gene. Another evidence that supports our hypothesis for the development of this approach.
רק גם להזכיר לכם שביל גייטס, נגיד, והוא התחיל את מייקרוסופט, נגיד והוא עזב את מייקרוסופט, ויש לו קרן עם לינדה אשתו או בעלו, לא משנה. מה לא, אם זה אכן הוא פה, כן? מה לא, ולגן במוח שאחראי על אמונה? שאלו את עצמכם את זה, פשוט.
What you see here is by studying this virus, we're going to eliminate individuals from going on a bomb vest and going into a market and blowing out the market.
So our hypothesis is that these are fanatical people, that they have overexpression of the BMAT2 gene and that...
אגב, אני לא חושב שזה ביל גייטס, למרות שכתוב שזה ביל גייטס, אני לא חושב שזה ביל גייטס. סתם הערת אגב.
By vaccinating them against this, we'll eliminate this behavior. So we have some very...
שמעתם רגע מה הוא אמר? סליחה, נחזור אחורה.
BMAT2 gene and that by vaccinating them against this, we'll eliminate this behavior.
על ידי חיסון באמצעים האלה, אנחנו נבטל את ההתנהגות הזאת של האמונה החזקה.
So we have some very remarkable data in this next slide.
נזכרו שהם רוצים לשלוט בעולם, ולכן אמונה בבורא עולם חיצוני שיצר את העולם מפריעה להם, אז הם רוצים לבטל אמונה כזאת בבורא עולם חיצוני, לכאורה למחוק את השייכות של בורא עולם חיצוני לבריאה שלו, קרי בין היתר גם אלינו, וככה פשוט למחוק לנו או לחסום לנו את הקשרים עם בורא עולם.
Here we have two brain scans. These are fMRIs. These are two different individuals with different levels of expression of BMAT2. On top is an individual who's a religious fanatic, an individual, and we've repeated this numerous times, that has high levels of BMAT2. Now, this individual down here who had low levels of the BMAT2 gene, this individual would self-describe as not particularly religious. In each case, these individuals were read a religious text. This individual lit up the right middle frontal gyrus, shown here, and that's a part of the brain that's associated with theory of mind. It's a part of the brain that has to do with intents and beliefs and desires. In marked contrast, here's an individual who would not particularly self-describe as religious, and we never read a religious text. What you see is that this part of the brain called the anterior insula lights up. This is a part of the brain that's associated with disgust or displeasure on hearing something. So the data that I'm presenting here supports the concept that we're proposing, and I think that we would not propose to do CT scans or fMRIs on individuals out in the hinterlands of Afghanistan. The virus would immunize against this BMAT2 gene, and that would have the effect that you see here, which is it's essentially to turn a fanatic into a normal person.
וירוס שיחבא את הגן הזה, שיהפוך בעצם אדם פנאטי למה שהוא קורא לו אדם נורמלי.
And we think that will have major effects in the Middle East.
ויהיה לזה השפעה אדירה במזרח התיכון.
Well, so the present plan and the tests that we've done so far have used respiratory viruses such as flu or rhinoviruses.
שמעתם מה הוא אמר?
Satisfactory.
בואו נראה עוד פעם. באיזה וירוסים הם משתמשים?
Have used respiratory viruses such as flu.
וירוסים נשימתיים כמו שפעת וכמו coronaviruses, הוא אומר את זה מאוד מהר.
Or rhinoviruses.
זה לא קורונה, סליחה. זה לא קורונה, הוא לא אמר קורונה, הוא אמר פלו ומשהו אחר.
Satisfactory way to get the exposure of the largest part of the population. Most of us, of course, have been exposed to both of those viruses. and we're quite confident that this will be a very successful approach.
What's the name of this proposal?
Yeah, so the name of this project is Unvax, which is the vaccine for religious fundamentalism.
And you have a proposal already?
The proposal has just been submitted, and I think that the data that I have shown you today would support the development of this project, and we think it has great promise.